let's see how to build an AI chat widget for your website that can bring in new leads and potential customers. And I will also show how to preview the particular chat widget you create right within our platform before you actually install that on your own website. So here I'm in a demo account. So here if I click on web chat over here, so let me click on manage over here. So in manage you will see this website chat widget template already installed on your account. So here let me explain how to add your own business information right there, so that when a particular customer asks any questions through your chat widget on the website, it can simply respond based on whatever the information you have provided. So for that, let me go to the flows section over here. So here in flows you can see all free templates. So let me click on this one, and here you will see the template related to website AI chatbot. So let me click on this one, and here you will see two flows. So one is the welcome message for the web chat. So what happens is that when a particular chat widget installed on your website, so let me show that. So here let me click on manage over here, and let me grab the code of this particular web chat code over here. So click on get code, and it will be copied to your clipboard. So now click on web chat preview, and it simply asks you to paste the code. So you can right click and paste the code, or simply click on paste the code right here, and this particular code will be pasted, and you can click on test chat widget. So you can imagine this is as your website, and here this is how the chat widget will show up right here. So here if you click on this chat widget, it will send me a message. So that's the welcome message it means right here. So you can actually customize this particular welcome message as you like. So as you see here, it says this message is sent every time when someone clicks on the chat widget. You can replace account name with your business name, or just change your account name via settings general, scroll down to rename the account. So here currently it will simply send the account name. So here the account name is demo. So let's simply keep as it is, and let me go back to the other flow in the website AI chatbot template over here, and this is the flow website AI chatbot widget. So let me open this particular flow right here, and here you will need to simply update the business information over here, and here you already have instructions on how to use this one as well. So here if you click on open AI right here, and here if you scroll down, you will see this particular company information part over here. Here you have to simply update all the information about your own business. So here in this case, let me update business information right here about a plumbing company. So here we have all the information about that particular plumbing company, which is called as Flow Masters Pro. So here you have information about the company, services, the pricing information, frequently asked question, and the contact information as well. So here let me simply copy all this information over here, and here under the company information simply paste it right here. All right. Another important thing is that you can find the AI triggers as well. So one AI trigger here is that sign up for the newsletter, which simply collect a particular customer's name, email, and phone number as well. So here if you're wondering how to create AI triggers, you can simply go to the flow section over here and click on AI triggers right here. So if you click on this one, you can actually see the sign up for the newsletter. So let me search for this AI trigger. So this is the AI trigger, and this is how it looks like. Sign up for the newsletter allows the user to sign up for the newsletter, and it simply collect all these three details from the customer. So here if you want to, you can actually create other AI triggers as well. For example, this is a plumbing company. So if they want to request a plumbing service, you can simply activate this particular AI trigger as well. So in this case, it simply collects customer name, email, phone number, and the zip code. So let me actually remove the email part. So let's just collect a particular customer's name, phone number, and the zip code, and click continue. So here you can also activate this particular AI trigger which we just edited, so which is request plumbing service. So here let me search for the request plumbing service. So this is the AI trigger right here. So here you can also modify this prompt as well. So here I added a prompt as well. If a customer is interested in a service, or if they would like to request a code, then please collect their name, phone number, and the zip code. So here we have activated this particular AI trigger as well. So now let me click continue over here, and make sure to publish this one as well. And you want to make this particular flow website AI chatbot widget template as the default flow as well. So for that you have to go to the settings over here, and in settings you can simply choose this particular flow, as the default flow right here and click save. Alright, so now we are done with the setup. We can quickly test how this actually works. So here I am in the web chat, so let's keep the original as it is. So let me click duplicate over here, and let's make a duplicate of this web chat template, and let's rename this one as Flowmasters Pro Plumbing, and let's send the same welcome message template. And here if you want to install on a website, you have to simply add your website address over here, and here let's change the brand color as well. So here let me choose this particular brand color right here and click OK and click save. So here this is the duplicate I just made, so let me rename this one so we can keep things clear. Alright, and here if you want to test how this website chat widget looks like, you can simply click on get code over here, click on this one, click OK, and here you have the option of web chat preview. Click on this one and you have to simply paste the code. So here I have already copied the code, click on paste code, and if you click on test widget over here, you should see the chat widget right here. So now if I click on this particular chat widget, it should send us the welcome message as well. So here we have some the previous chat as well. So let me actually delete all the previous chat history from the inbox so we can actually test fresh. So let me go to the inbox over here and let me delete the whole chat over here. Alright, so now if I click on test chat widget again, and if I click on this chat widget right here, and it says Flowmasters Plumbing, and it simply sends us the welcome message as well. So here you can also customize this one further as well. If you click on this particular question mark, it will take you directly to this particular web chat customization guide over here. For example, let's say you install a chat widget on your website, and this may not be useful if people are actually clicking on this one and chatting with you over there. So what you can do is you can actually automatically open this particular chat widget after few seconds as well. For that, for example, we have this particular code right here, automatically open the chat widget in 3 seconds. So here you have this particular code, and you have to simply add this code right before the closing of the script tab. So let me copy this code and let me locate the closing of the script tab. So this is the closing of the script tab as you see here. So let me press enter over here and add that code right here. Simple as that. So here it says 3000. So if you check this guide, it represents 3000 milliseconds, which is 3 seconds. So what happens is that this particular chat widget will automatically open after 3 seconds when that particular page loads. So let me click on test chat widget again and see what happens. So let's wait for 3 seconds and it should actually open, and as you see it opened. Now it actually automatically opens and send me the welcome message as well. So that actually create more conversation with your website traffic as well. So now let's send a message over here and see how this actually works. Can you please explain about what sort of services do you provide? So here let me ask about what sort of services, and it simply send us these are the services provided over here. So let me say can I know about the pricing for the water heater installation? So here I ask about the pricing for a specific service right here, and it simply send us this particular pricing over here, and it also says the final pricing based on the complexity and other things. So let me say, can I request a code please? So here I ask about a code. Let's see what happens. As we set up an AI trigger, it simply asks for the customer full name, phone number and zip code. So here let me say, my name is John Justin and my phone number is 917-243-5600. So here I provided only my name and the phone number, and it simply asks the customer to provide the zip code as well. So let me say my zip code is 10010. So here I provide the zip code as well. Let's see what happens. Thank you, John. One of our agent will contact you soon with your code. Simple as that. So whatever the chat happening right here can be tracked on this unified inbox as well. So if you click on inbox, we should be able to track all the chats happened right there. So let me open the inbox, and it says John Justin because the particular customers have already shared their name, and you can find their phone number right here, and also the customer zip code is right here as well. So here from this inbox, an agent can easily chat with this particular customer. Since they have shared the phone number, you can actually trigger any sort of SMS marketing campaigns. They can even send SMS from right here in the inbox as well. So here you have to simply provide this particular code or simply add this particular code in your website and the chat widget will show up in your website. Simple as that. So that's a quick video on how you can actually create an AI chat widget for your website and preview it live before you actually install on your own website. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.